To the family and the friends of these 9 persons who lost their lives, I want to give you my deepest sympathy and condolences. I pray that God gives you strength and that He comforts you in every single way. I just want to let you know that do not dwell on your pain, do not dwell on your grief, do not dwell on your hurt. Remember the good memories that you share with this person. Remember the happy days. Remember the fun times. I pray God comforts you, and I pray He gives you strength. I pray that God holds you in your time of pain. I pray that God will give you the strength you need for your pain. And I pray that you'll be able to smile again. I pray He gives you hope.